Are you approaching retirement and wondering if your investment plan is really ready for the next 10 to 15 years? Concerned about whether your strategy can handle changing markets and your evolving financial needs? Our financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will guide us through in this video. Ramalingam, the screen is yours.
Let us say you as an investor have 1 crore money and you want to invest out of that, you want to take next 5-year expenses alone. Right? Then in that case, let us say you need every month 50,000 rupees, you need 6 lakhs per annum. So 5 years, you need 30 lakhs. Out of this 1 crore, take this 30 lakhs and park it in a liquid fund or short term, withdraw from them. In the meantime, these 70 lakhs can be in balanced advantage fund or hybrid fund or in equity fund, you can keep it. End of 5 years, this equity would have given 12% plus returns. Again, refill your liquid fund and short-term debt fund bucket. So it's basically called as 3-bucket strategy. Invest your 1 year, 2 year expenses in liquid funds. Your 3 year to 5, 6 years money, keep it in long-term debt funds. Balanced money, keep it in equity. So in every market cycle, refill this bucket. So that way, even if there is a market crash, next to 5 year income is there in debt funds. You need not worry about it. Again, here the process is protecting you.
Thank you for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. Also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. Link to the webinar is given in the description below and the webinar is absolutely free. So if you like this video, hit like, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.